Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to showcase Buxom Cosmetics' new 90s inspired lipstick collection in partnership with their brand's celebrity makeup artist Ash K Holm. The lipsticks are inspired by the 90s era where supermodels ruled the runway with nude colored lipstick tones in spice colored shades. These colors are full coverage with a long-lasting satin finish and with versatile shades that will go with every skin tone. Here is the cute clear box Buxom sent me. I love the way it looks. And let's open it so we can look to see what's inside. Look how cute the packaging is. Here are the full force plumping lipsticks in 6 amazing nude colors. I'm going to swatch each one of them and I can't wait to show you because I am crazy about nudes. Let's get started.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah, but who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing.